Hi, it's Janet Ledan here, and I appreciate you taking the time to look at this video. What I want to do here is actually share with you a way in which you can earn extra income on a daily basis. We're talking anywhere between $100 to $1,000 plus on a daily basis, and as you can see, I'm doing it here from home. Okay, so my question to you is, what would it mean for you to earn this type of money on a daily basis? Okay, I know for many people it could help out with some bills that perhaps you're behind on, or maybe you have a dream vacation you were hoping to go on one day. If you have kids, maybe you're paying for daycare, that can help with that, or maybe you just want to go shopping. Whatever the reason is, this can definitely help towards it. Okay, so let's get right into it. Okay, one of the reasons why I like this particular system is because there's 5 different ways for you to make money, which is the reason why you're able to generate that type of income daily. Okay, there's 5 different offers, and the system is really easy actually for you to set up. I mean, you're taken by the hand, step-by-step instructions are given to you. I mean, you can't get lost. Not only that, you're actually given the exact ways in which you can get traffic onto your website on a daily basis. So that way you're not left confused, stranded, just wondering exactly how people are going to take a look at your offer. Okay, so that's a plus there. Now, to get started with this company, you would have to select a specific level. Okay, you can start anywhere from $25, or if you want to go up as high as even $1,000. Okay, but do keep in mind that whichever level that you select, that is the amount of money that you can receive at max. Okay, so for example, if you join the company at $500, that means that you can only earn $500 or below. Okay, or if you decide you want to join at $1,000, that means that you can receive commissions instantly, either at $1,000 or below. Okay, so if you get my drift here, the higher level that you decide, that is the maximum amount of money that you can receive, and so it's always best to go higher. You want to choose something that you will be comfortable with, something that you're able to afford, but be positioned well for the future. Now, when I'm talking about this specific income stream, that's actually our front end income stream, and you're able to receive those commissions instantly. Okay, so we also have 4 other income streams that's on the back end, and those are residual incomes. Some of them you'll be receiving them on a weekly basis, and some of them you will receive on a monthly basis. Okay, so great opportunity. Even for an average Joe, you can start making money right away. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you, if you look on the screen, I'm going to show you a couple of other people besides myself that's making some money. Okay, so for example, if you look here, here's a guy, and everyone is different. Okay, some people start off slow and don't make as much money, and then there's some that start right from the beginning and start making money right away. Okay, so everyone is a little different, but I'm going to show you some examples on the possibilities. So if you look here, here's a guy here who's made $9,000 in 3 weeks. Now, what would that do for you to earn that type of money? We have another guy here. He's earned $3,000 in 10 days. Okay. Here's another guy. He's earned a little over $7,000 in 45 days. And if I scroll a little bit further here, here's a father here. He's made, in 2 weeks, he's made $1,000. So, you know, this is definitely something that, you know, you can earn extra income with on a daily basis, and you know, these are just proof. I mean, these are facts right here. So hopefully you have found value in the information that I've shared with you, and you decide to join. What I'm going to do, and I'll share with you, if you decide to join with me, I'll throw in some bonuses. okay, just to help you start off on the right foot. The first thing though, well, I definitely want to make sure that you're going to be set up correctly. So we'll have that one-on-one where we can make sure that you're set up correctly in our system. The second thing I want to offer to you is a free complimentary vacation stay at one of the top resorts. I'll give you a couple choices for you to choose from, and once you select one, we'll go ahead and get that to you. I also want to offer you a voucher, a restaurant voucher in the amount of $1,000 that you can go with, anyone with, you can go to a restaurant with anyone and be able to use that, okay, the $100 restaurant voucher. And then I'll also include you in a Facebook group for people who are also doing the same, who's also in the same business and earning income. And that way you'll be able to receive the support and also training that you need so that way your business can go off to a right start. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier, if you do find value in this video and you are interested, definitely like, share, and also subscribe to this channel as well. Subscribe to this channel so that way if I'm posting any other videos with different opportunities, or perhaps this particular opportunity going further in depth, you'll be able to get that. Okay, and comment. You can make a comment here. I'll share with you my link on the bottom where you can click on, and so that way you can either get started, or if you want to have more information on it and ways for you to contact me. Okay, so I appreciate your time once again, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.